Hello guys, Assalamualaikum, back with me. So now I'm gonna tell you how to change this picture from this a girl in the beach with this there's no girl anymore. So we're gonna learn how to delete an object, okay, on your picture, not your background. It's an object in your picture. So from this picture to this. Okay, so here we go. I have opened the file already on the Photoshop. Okay, this is the picture where we wanna edit this to there's no girl anymore there. Okay, so firstly, as usual, Control J, which is Japan, to copy the layer of the background. Then first thing first, we're gonna use lasso tool, okay, or you can just press L on your keyboard. Okay, so here we go. We wanna select the part of the girl where we wanna delete her. Okay, so this is including her shadow. Alright, ta-da. Okay, so we have selected the girl only, and we go to edit, then fill. Okay, so in this fill we're gonna fill with the content aware. Okay, so this content aware will Photoshop, we're gonna use this pixels around the pictures as the thing to substitute the deleted picture. Okay, so here we go. We click OK. Haha, Tara, that's a magic, right? You won't see any girl anymore there. So it's a very clean method or technique where you can apply it to your picture. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so you can just say it's a beach. Alright, then just click OK, and you'll see the pictures. Tara! Okay, I think that's all. Thank you so much. Once again, it's edit and fill. Alright. Once again, don't forget it's fill and content aware. Okay, thank you so much. See you guys next time for other tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.